children and their father will speak on this matter because that's how they've been since the very beginning. So as their mother, I'm doing this because it's my right and my job. I want to start this off by saying that we wanted to keep quiet.
Pregnant
But
detected.
it's evident that in
Uy!
keeping details quiet,
Nay!
it is instead
Nay, may nag-notif sa akin. Bagong buntis na naman. Taga Barangay Duhat.
concerning.
Di ba taga dun si tita? Oo, anak.
My life is
Ay,
quiet.
teka, tawagan ko
Away
lang.
from all of this, and I hardly post anymore. Even Andre is getting back. Thanks, human.
Yes, Anika? Ah, tita. May buntis ba dyan? Pwede paki-confirm? Oh, confirmed. Bagong lipat lang dito sa barangay. Well, in fact, andito ako sa kanila ngayon. Okay lang po ba kung ako na mag-harvest? Sige. Pamasko ko na to sa'yo, ha? Advance gift ko sa December. Baka humingi ka pa. Okay po, sige. Thank you po, tita. Sige.